meteorologist Rebecca Velasquez.
Hope you enjoyed the beautiful morning we had for this Saturday, but then we started to see the clouds roll in, and we are expecting rain and the potential for some severe weather as we head into the evening and overnight hours. Taking a look at our sweeping radar brought to you by EOM Young, we are mostly rain-free, seeing some very light scattered showers in Union County and then Ashley and Chico County as well. So that is mostly staying confined to southern Arkansas, moving eastward into northern Mississippi. But a few of us are under a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 p.m. this evening. That is confined to mostly parts of northern, central, and then southern Arkansas as well. There's already a few severe thunderstorm warnings just northwest of Little Rock, and then there's some just east of Greenville, Mississippi. So it is possible for us to see some severe thunderstorms as we head into the evening and overnight hours, because a good chunk of us are under a slight risk for severe weather. That includes southern Arkansas and parts of northeastern Louisiana. The rest of us, though, are under a marginal risk for severe weather. So there is a possibility to see some severe weather as we head into the evening hours and as we head into early tomorrow morning. So I wouldn't be surprised if we heard a few rumbles late tonight and early tomorrow morning. We're starting to see these winds shift to the southwest, about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but we are expecting breezier conditions more closer to the 15, 20 mile per hour range as we head into tonight and as we head into tomorrow morning. So with the combination of southeasterly winds, very moist atmosphere, and a little bit of a forcing and lifting mechanism, we could see the potential for severe weather continue into the overnight hours. So dew points are in the low 60s, which is indicative of the atmosphere is pretty moist, and we could see some severe weather. Biggest threats, though, will include damaging winds and the potential for hail. Now, I can't rule out the potential for an isolated tornado and maybe flooding concerns, especially for those already flooded low-lying areas, but we're mostly looking at damaging wind gusts and maybe some hail as we continue to see those very discrete isolated cells continuing to move eastward as we head into the overnight hours. But the bulk of the rain is still on the way. It is ahead of our next cold front, and that will continue to move southeastward as we head into tonight. So rain is expected to start around maybe our 10 o'clock show or even around midnight, and that is expected to continue through the overnight hours early tomorrow morning. Now, most of this is expected to clear out by around lunchtime tomorrow, but we can't rule out the potential for some isolated scattered showers tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. A little bit of a rain chances late Sunday night, but then all of it will clear out for Monday morning. We will be clear for Monday morning. So for tonight, for severe weather, I have a few ways to get those severe warnings and set your clocks forward an hour due to daylight saving time. That's right. It is probably one of my least favorite days of the year because we lose an hour of sleep due to those clocks setting forward an hour. If you're not a fan of losing an hour of sleep, you're not going to be a fan of the cool weather behind the cold front that will swing through Sunday, dropping our temperatures off to the low to mid 30s for Monday morning. So severe weather possible for tonight, maybe early tomorrow morning, and then cool weather on the way to start off this next work week after we lose an hour of sleep. I know it sucks. I wish I could give it to y'all, but fortunately I can't. But I can give you beautiful weather as we start this next work week. We are expecting mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the upper 50s, low 60s, so we'll be a bit below average for this time of the year, but at least we'll be rain-free after tonight and tomorrow morning, and then we are looking at a pretty nice St. Patty's Day ahead of us, but that's still a ways away. Stay with us. We still have more. You're watching NBC 10 News at 6.